In this video, I'm going to install some vinyl soffit, close in this outdoor porch. It's a place that just had birds and bugs and mud wasps. Also, going to replace these two light bulbs and put in two exterior ceiling fans. So stick around, hope you enjoy this video, and hope it helps somebody that has a similar job to do. All right, that went easy. Completed boxing this part in. So I have nailers. I'm going to add nailers to the edges. That's what I'm going to do now. Okay, the job is completed. It turned out pretty good. I hope this video helps somebody that is looking for ideas on what to do with a situation like this. So thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Share the video. And as always, subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.